Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Ghostbusters Stocking Stuffers is probably one of the most exciting and nostalgic ways to bring a touch of paranormal fun to your holiday season, offering a unique blend of retro charm and modern appeal that's perfect for fans of all ages looking to capture the spirit of Slimer and the iconic proton packs. Number 5. LEGO Star Wars The Razor Crest 75292. Embark on an epic building adventure with this detailed LEGO brick model of the Razor Crest starship. It's inspired by the iconic ship from Star Wars, The Mandalorian. Bring your favorite characters to life with included minifigures of the Mandalorian, Greef Karga, Scout Trooper, and the Child, also known as Baby Yoda. An IG-11 droid figure is also included. This starship is equipped for adventure, featuring a dual minifigure cockpit, 2 spring-loaded shooters, and a detachable escape pod for thrilling play. Easily access the interior through opening side boarding ramps. Discover carbonite bounty elements and a cozy sleeping area within the cargo hold. Recreate intense battles from the Mandalorian series. Use the included weapons to engage in exciting showdowns against the Scout Trooper and other adversaries. This collectible LEGO Star Wars set is an ideal gift for any occasion. It's perfect for boys and girls aged 10 and up who are fans of Star Wars. What we like. This detailed starship model brings the iconic Mandalorian ship to life. It comes with beloved characters like the Mandalorian and the Child. If you're a fan of the series and love building detailed models with play features, this is a fantastic choice for recreating epic scenes. What people say. The design of the box itself is beautiful, in typical LEGO company fashion, and as gamers we were both very excited to see a code that would give us access to the Razor Crest in the upcoming LEGO Star Wars, The Skywalker Saga printed on the side of the box. The build is ingenious, the cockpit and the engines being particularly well done and exciting to consider in building and viewing. The ship itself is very sturdy and very detailed for its size. It's like a mini UCS set, making it a great display for adults. It's also still awesome as a toy. The spring-loaded shooters work and are discreetly located. The interior is very functional with space for Mando to sleep, a roomy 2-seat cockpit, storage for 3 extra missiles, a little play space, 2 slots for the captured bounties, 2 stickered carbonite pieces included, plus an area to store extra weapons behind the cockpit. Number 4. LEGO Adidas Original Superstar 10282 Building Kit. Introducing a unique building experience that lets you recreate one of the most recognizable sneakers ever made. It's a fun and engaging project for adults. This model is packed with true-to-life details, from the famous shell toe to the signature stripes and logos. You'll even find real shoelaces to complete the look. It's a faithful and stylish tribute to the original Adidas sneaker, presented in a special box that mirrors the original shoe packaging. Looking for a special gift? This is ideal for fans of streetwear, collectibles, and adult LEGO builders seeking a distinctive challenge. Once built, this impressive model stands over 4.5 inches high, making it a fantastic display piece for any collection. Showcase your love for iconic design. What we like. This model captures the essence of a legendary sneaker with incredible accuracy. It's designed for display and features all the signature elements. If you appreciate streetwear culture, love unique display pieces, or are looking for a creative building project, this is the perfect gift. What people say. Model comes in a real shoe box and wrapped in paper mache like the real thing. You have the option of building a right or left shoe, plus there's a red LEGO brick on sole, a play on stepping on LEGO and hurting foot. This is one of my favorite LEGO sets, so realistic and comes in an actual Adidas shoe box. It makes a great display when assembled and set up with the actual Adidas box. A really neat decoration for my teenager's room. Number 3. Fritz the Farting Reindeer. Have you ever met a reindeer quite like Fritz? He's not your average reindeer, that's for sure. Fritz has a rather unusual talent that sets him apart from the rest of the herd. It's something that makes him quite special. Sometimes, being different can be a little challenging. But Fritz learns to embrace what makes him unique. Join Fritz on a hilarious adventure as he navigates his farty situation. It's a story full of laughs and fun. This delightful tale is perfect for young readers who love a good laugh. It's a story about acceptance and finding joy. Discover the world of farting adventures with Fritz. It's a journey filled with unexpected moments and plenty of giggles. What we like. This is a light-hearted and funny story that kids will giggle about. It features a unique and memorable character. If you're looking for a silly and entertaining read-aloud book for young children, especially around the holidays, this will surely bring smiles and laughter. What people say. My grandchildren loved the story. Great and funny book. Children and adults alike, enjoy this book. Number 2. Bluetooth Hat Beanie. Introducing the ultimate winter accessory. This beanie keeps you warm while allowing you to enjoy your music or take calls on the go. Looking for a unique gift? This is an ideal stocking stuffer for anyone who loves tech and staying cozy. Designed for both men and women, it's a stylish and practical choice for teens and adults alike. Easily pair it with your devices for a hands-free experience. Enjoy clear audio without sacrificing comfort. Made with soft material, it provides excellent warmth. You'll love how it combines fashion with everyday convenience. Its classic black color makes it a versatile accessory that matches any outfit. Perfect for any winter activity. What we like. This offers the convenience of listening to music or taking calls while staying warm. It seamlessly integrates technology with cozy headwear. If you enjoy listening to music or podcasts on the go, especially during colder weather, and want to keep your hands free, this is an ideal gadget. What people say. Features a hole to remove inner speakers and tech so you can wash the hat, very convenient. The built-in speakers deliver clear, crisp audio, making it perfect for listening to music, podcasts, or taking calls. Long battery life, lasts for hours on a single charge, so she can enjoy music while out and about. Number 1. Ghostbusters Original No Ghost Logo T-shirt. Are you ready to believe in ghosts? This iconic T-shirt features the classic No Ghost logo from the original Ghostbusters movie. Show your love for this legendary film. Step back in time with this retro-inspired design. It's a perfect tribute to a beloved comedy classic that continues to entertain audiences of all ages. This shirt isn't just apparel, it's a statement. It captures the fun and spirit of the Ghostbusters in a way that's instantly recognizable and always amusing. Crafted for comfort and durability, this T-shirt feels as good as it looks. Wear it proudly to conventions, movie nights, or just out and about. Looking for a gift for the Ghostbusters fan in your life? This unique T-shirt is sure to be a hit, bringing a smile to any fan's face. Don't miss out on owning a piece of cinematic history. This officially inspired design lets you carry the legacy of the Ghostbusters with you. What we like. This features the instantly recognizable and iconic Ghostbusters logo. It's a great way to show off your love for the classic film. If you're a fan of retro movie merchandise and want a stylish way to represent your favorite supernatural comedy, this is a must-have. What people say. Excellent material. High quality. It feels great too. The shirt is good quality and the logo is clear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.